Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel to Canva question and answer. And this is a question in the Canva tips and hacks Facebook group from Lauren Knight about how to create text with this tail. So let's go to Canva and I will choose YouTube thumbnail size. I will paste it here. I will increase the size. And then let's change the font to the similar font. I think it's a brass style font. So check here and find in the brush this one, and then find here. I think let's try this brush script. Okay, just let's say this is the right font, and then go to element and type here text tail. On the graphic you can choose many tail here, so many tail here, and you can choose it. I will just simple choose for this one, and then increase the size and put it here. All right, so this is the result. And if you want to fill this text with colors, select this all and reduce the size. Place it in the center and then add a square. Increase the size of the square. Send to back. Change the text color to white and also the tail to white. Now download it as PNG. Add a new page in other color and upload the PNG here. Remove the background, the white color I mean, and then increase the size. And then you can add the square and fill it with gradient. And then send it to back. Or you just go to element and type here colorful. And then choose one of this photo and place it here. Reduce the size. And then send backward. Alright, and then crop it, change the background to white. And change this frame, the auto frame to white. Go to edit. Choose duotone. Choose custom. Change the highlight to totally white. The hex code is FFF. And also the shadow to white. So now you have it. And you can also download it as PNG. The page to only. And then add a new page and you can add any background here. Set as background and then upload the PNG of page to here and then choose BG remover. So you now have the text with transparent background, so you can put it in any background you like. You can change it to gradient. Okay, you can see here. So this is the tutorial. If you like this video, please share to your social media. See you next video and have fun with Canva.